everyone, you are with me Hemalata. Today I am going to take chapter number 1 integers for class 7. Okay, exercise 1.1. What's the question? Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay, they have given number line. We have part A. Okay, observe the number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. Okay, they have mentioned 4 places. We have to identify the temperature of the places and we have to write. Okay, you all know children, right? Number line, about number line. Here 0 and left side of 0 will be negative numbers and right side of 0 will be positive numbers. Okay, now let's take Lagul Spiti. Okay, temperature, what's the temperature? Here -1, -2, -3, -4 and -6, -7, -8. Okay, -8 we will write. -8 degree Celsius. The next place, Srinagar. Okay, -1 and -2. -2 degree Celsius. Next, Ooty. Five, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 degree Celsius. Next, Bangalore. Twenty, 21, 22. 22 degree Celsius. So, let's come to part B. So coming to part B, what's the question? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Okay, what is the coldest places, children? -8 degree, right? Lagul Spiti. And what is the hottest place? Bangalore, 22 degree Celsius. We have to see the difference. Okay, so hottest place, what? Bangalore, right? 22 degree Celsius. Coldest, -8 degree Celsius. Okay, so the difference equal to 22 minus coldest value, what? -8. So 22 minus of minus will become plus 8 is equal to 30 degree Celsius. So the difference is 30 degree Celsius. That's all about B. Let's discuss C. So coming to part C. What's the temperature difference between Lagul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay, what's the temperature of Lagul Spiti, children? -8. Okay, so they are asking difference. So difference equal to -8 degree, right? And Srinagar -2. So which is greater? -2. So we have to minus from -2. So -2 minus of -8. Okay, understand? Now -2 minus of minus will be plus 8. So plus 8 and -2. The answer is plus 6 degree Celsius. That's all about part C. Let's discuss part D. Now coming to part D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Okay, what they have asked, Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Okay, what's the temperature of Srinagar? -2. So -2. Together means what? We have to add. -2 plus Srinagar and Shimla, 5 degree. Okay, so what is minus 2 plus 5? You have to minus 2 from 5, so you will get 3. So this is the temperature taken together. What's the question? Is it less than the temperature at Shimla? So it is 5 degree, right? So 3 degree is less than 5 degree. So the answer is yes. So the next question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So what's the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 2. So 3 degree is greater than minus 2. So the answer here is no. So that's all about part D. Question number 2 in exercise 1.1. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for wrong answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? Okay, we all know that total means we have to sum up everything. Okay, so total at the end is equal 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. First we will group positive numbers together. 25, 15 and 10. So 25 plus 15 plus 10. Here plus minus minus. Minus 5. Here plus minus minus. Minus 10. So 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 minus, add, if both signs are negative, you have to add both numbers and put the negative sign. So 10 plus 5 what? 15. Both are negative numbers, so minus 15. 50 minus 15 will be 35. So the score is the total score at the end. Total score at the end is 35. So that's all about question number 2. Now question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So initially on Monday, what was the temperature? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. So what do we need to find? Tuesday's temperature and Wednesday's temperature. Okay. So first let's find Tuesday's temperature. Is equal to, on Monday what was the temperature, children? Minus 5. Okay, so minus 5. Then it dropped by 2 degree. What is dropped by? So it come down. Okay, so we have to minus 2 degree. Okay, so what is minus 5 and minus 2? Minus 7. So minus 7 degree Celsius on Tuesday, correct? Okay. Then on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So from Tuesday only, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So what we need to find? Temperature on Wednesday. So Wednesday's temperature is equal equal to, what we have to do? -7 on Tuesday, right? Then what does it mean? It rose by, it rises up. So we need to add 4, right? So -7 plus 4. What is the answer? -3 degree Celsius on Wednesday. Okay children, thanks for watching.